again with a Spiderman cake today. It's gonna be so awesome. Start up with our cakes and our frosting. Lots and lots of frosting. Make sure it's even. We're gonna have 4 layers on this cake. Wow! We're gonna paint all around it. Smooth it in careful. Don't take up any cake while you're doing it. Now for the main body, we're gonna add blue fondant. Roll it out super thin. Now we're gonna put it on top. Remember, be very patient and take your time. Make sure it's all smoothed out. Use our cake irons. And press, press, press. Now use your pizza cutter and cut off the extra. All right, we're gonna make a logo first. So we're gonna take a little red ball, roll it out and put a little bamboo stick in it. This will help it stay up in the cake super nice. Now we're gonna draw out our frame, kind of like a big comic bubble. Use a sharp knife to cut away the extra. Be super careful. Only cut the dough, don't cut your fingers. Yeah! All right, now you're gonna cut out some words that you're gonna put in the middle. Add some holes for some awesome comic texture. Cut out the words. Be careful. Now we're gonna glue it on. Make sure you glue the words, not your fingers. Now we're gonna make another one. We're gonna have some background with some texture. See those awesome lines we put on there? Cut carefully. Ooh, look at the double-sided. Now we're gonna cut some more words. Be super careful with your cutter. Zap! Now we're gonna glue them on. Look how awesome that's looking. Remember, don't glue your fingers. Okay, see what we're doing to make the round? Look how well that worked. Now use your cutter, but be careful. You can always go back over and smooth out the edges. Okay, now we're gonna make another logo. This is gonna be another double-sided. Little bit of extra we added. Look at that texture. Boom. Texturize. All right, glue the back of your letters and you're gonna stick it on the logo. Wow, and another one that's gonna look super awesome. Cut carefully and pull it apart carefully so you don't accidentally tear your logo. Stick it on. Another zap. Look how awesome it's turning out. And lots of stars. You can never have too many stars. big ones, small ones, medium ones. And of course, Gotham has to have skyscrapers. Let's get those skyscrapers. Now we're totally gonna need some windows. Let's get some windows for our skyscrapers. Yeah! Add your glue and add your windows. Look how awesome that is! Ooh, now we need to make Spider-Man's eyes. Cut out those eyes. Now we're gonna cut some edges. Add your glue. The black is acting like a borderline so you can see it even better. Cut and tuck. Now we're gonna make our second layer. This is a big cake. Roll it nice and flat, you know the drill. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and press it on. Remember, take your time and make sure it's nice and flat. Take your cake irons and your pizza cutter. Remove it slowly. Now we're gonna start making our big cake. Now we're gonna add some paint. Paint super carefully. Wow, draw those awesome spider webs. Now we're gonna make Spider-Man's hand. You know the shape he makes when he wants to spit out spider web. Fold your fingers down. You know the drill. Time to glue it up. Add that city line. Looking so awesome. Add those eyeballs. He sees you. Aw, and the awesome hand. Go, Web, go! Don't forget all your awesome stars. Place them all over the place. Wow, it's looking so cool. Don't forget the awesome logos you made. Time to put them in.